Right now, millions of people are watching Bitcoin prices on exchanges, waiting for the perfect moments to buy. But here's what most beginners are missing. There is a way to start making money in crypto today, without waiting for price pumps or understanding complicated trading charts. I'm talking about earning consistent profits by simply connecting buyers and sellers. It's called arbitrage or simply P2P trading, and it might just be your fastest path to crypto profits. Hey everyone, I'm Eva, and today's video is specifically designed for absolute beginners. I'm going to show you exactly how to start P2P crypto trading from zero. No complicated theory, just practical steps you can take right after watching this video. But before we dive in, if you're serious about starting your crypto journey the smart way, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. First things first, what exactly is P2P trading? Let me explain with a simple example. Imagine you're selling something on a local marketplace app. You set your price, someone sees your offer, you arrange payment, and boom, deal done. P2P crypto trading works exactly the same way, except you're trading cryptocurrency directly with real people around the world. Here's where it gets interesting. You can buy crypto at a lower price from one person and sell it at a higher price to another, earning the difference. P2P trading depends on your attention to detail and your ability to choose reliable partners. The beauty of this approach? You can start with as little as $20. Now let me show you the exact 5-step process that thousands of successful P2P traders follow. Step number 1. Register on the platform. Takes just 3 to 5 minutes. Enter your email, create a strong password with at least 12 characters, mix in letters, numbers or symbols, and confirm your account. Pro tip: turn on two-factor authentication immediately to protect your account from hacks. Step 2. QIC verification. Upload a photo of your passport or ID, take selfie and wait 5 minutes to 24 hours for approval. This protects you from scammers, unlocks higher trading limits, and gives you access to more payment methods and better opportunities. Step 3. Add your payment methods. Bank transfers, e-wallets, payment apps. The platform supports dozens of options. Keep at least 3 payment methods active because different traders prefer different methods, giving you access to the best deals faster. Critical reminder: double-check every detail. One wrong digit means trouble. Step 4. Find and evaluate offers. Here's where most beginners make their first mistake: picking the cheapest price without research. Instead, look at 3 factors: price, the trader's rating, and completion rate. Look for 95% or higher with 50+ completed deals, and reviews from other traders. Step 5. Execute your first deal. Click buy or sell and follow this checklist. Read the trader's term carefully. Only send money after the crypto is locked in escrow, never outside the platform. Use the built-in chat and screenshot everything: payment confirmations, chat messages, deal details. Most deals complete within 5 to 15 minutes. Now, when you've got the steps, here are the 4 golden rules to keep you safe and profitable. Never conduct trades outside the platform. The escrow system is your safety net. Trust but verify. Check recent reviews, not just overall ratings. Start small and scale gradually. Make your first 5 to 10 trades small, then increase sizes. And finally, if something feels wrong, just cancel and move on. The opportunity window is wide open right now. 3 reasons why 2026 favors P2P traders. First, crypto adoption is accelerating globally, creating more trading opportunities daily. Second, P2P platforms are more user-friendly and secure than ever, with better dispute resolution and faster verification. Third, the earning potential remains strong. P2P trading rewards attention and consistency, skill everyone can develop. Pro tip: Keep funds in stablecoins like USDT or USDC so you can act fast when you spot great opportunities without waiting for bank transfers. Don't forget, P2P trading is one of the most accessible entry points into crypto. You don't need to predict markets, you don't need thousands of dollars, and you don't need a finance degree. You just need to follow the system and stay consistent. The earlier you start, the sooner you'll gain experience. Some of the most successful P2P traders started with their first $20 trade. The difference? They took action. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications for more practical crypto guides. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. We love helping beginners get started safely. This was Eva, and remember, in P2P trading, consistency beats complexity every single time. Now go make your first trade and join our growing community.